Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females magic.
And Wonderland is still playing hard to get. I cannot get out of these 200s to save my life. Every morning I step on that scale hoping for that magic one in front of my weight. And every morning it's like the scale's looking back at me like, psych. And honestly, it makes me laugh because it feels like the scale has its own personality at this point. It actually acts like it has an attitude. I don't know what the issue is, but I cannot get out of these 200s, you guys, but I am working on it. Now, don't get me wrong. I really want Wonderland so bad I can taste it. That milestone lives rent free in my head, I tell you. But while the scale is being stubborn, my body is telling a whole different story. Even though the numbers aren't looking the way I want them to, when I look in the mirror, I can see it. My body is definitely changing. I actually have a waist now, you guys. I can see my waistline coming in and my neck. I actually have a neck. My old shape is finally starting to show up. I knew it was in there somewhere. It's been hidden for a long time, but I knew it was in there. I catch myself sometimes, turning sideways. I'm looking in the look. I'm like this, looking in the mirror, just to double check, like, is that me? And it is. The scale may not be clapping for me right now, but my reflection certainly is. My butt doesn't look that great though. It's still kind of like weirdly shaped, but I'm working on it. I'm trying to get my squats in. But I have a knee issue or so I have to really be careful, but I'm trying my best. Where I really see the difference though is in my neck and shoulders. You know how you see people that have their like clavicle, I think this is called the clavicle, I think. I don't know, but these like right here, like I can even see them now. Look, I was in the mirror the other day and I was like trying to make them pop out. But yeah, I can actually see those now. So that's like super exciting. Let me tell you guys a story, an experience I had. I lost my license, right? And I had to go and get a new one. And you know how you take your driver's license picture and you stand in front of the plain white board trying to fix your face, hoping it turns out at least halfway decent. Well, last time I took mine, the lady behind the counter took the picture and said, "Oh, that's a good picture." I felt relieved, but when she showed it to me, I almost cried. I look like Jabba the Hutt. No neck, just all fat, just one oversized cylinder. Look at this. Look at this. You know what that means? Look at this. And I remember thinking, was she trying to be funny? Because nothing about this picture looks good. Fast forward to now, when I catch my reflection, I think back to that license photo and shake my head because I think, baby, you've come a long way. That version of me is gone. And even though I'm not in Wonderland yet, the proof is all over my body that things are changing and changing for the better. I think my body is just adjusting. Yeah, let's call it that, adjusting. When the pounds were falling off in the beginning, that was easy to get excited about. But now it's about patience. I know a lot of you can relate to what I'm saying right now. This is one of the challenging stages. This is when you have to hunker down and lean in and trust the process. I love being able to talk to you guys about my weekly updates because I know I'm not alone out there. Some of you are chasing Wonderland too, right along with me. Some of you are fighting through your own adjustments, whether it's 250 to 20, 180, 150, whatever you're reaching for. And when I see your comments, when you share your victories and your struggles, I know we are definitely in this together. It reminds me this isn't just about me and my journey and my scale. This is about our community of people, pushing and fighting and refusing to give up with our goals in mind. So here's the question for you guys. How do you stay encouraged when the scale won't move? Do you focus on your non scale victories? Do you look at old pictures of yourself like I do? Or maybe you notice it in your clothes and feel good about that, in the way your body moves, and the way people respond to you, even because a lot of the time, that's the best part when you gets noticed by other people. So drop in the comments, you guys. Let us know what you do when you're feeling a little bit discouraged with that thing we call the scale. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.